Research shows that companies with fewer than 1,000 employees end up developing and deploying around 22 custom applications. And larger enterprises with more than 50,000 employees can run close to 800 custom applications. That's a lot of applications. Now, imagine how long it takes to build even one application using traditional methods. Of course, it'll vary with complexity, but we're talking 4 to 6 months and $100,000 to deploy just one app. Now, multiply that by 22, or 800. That's a lot of money. And that's why organizations are looking for a paradigm shift in the way apps are built. They want a custom solution minus the time, money, and effort of traditional application development methods. And the answer is low-code. Low-code platforms provide an already abstracted layer to build applications with little or no coding, yet offer the same result as a traditional programming approach. While many people understand how low-code works, a majority don't realize how powerful they are. Low-code platforms empower you to assemble custom solutions 10 times faster with their drag-and-drop UIs and user-friendly scripting languages. Scaling up also becomes easier as the platform offers you the flexibility to tweak and extend applications whenever you need. But what about shadow IT? It poses a huge threat to the data security of your organization, with multiple solutions able to access your corporate information. Don't worry though. Low-code provides guardrails for your IT teams with granular, role-based access controls for every app you build on them. And the best part is that low-code platforms help business and IT teams collaborate and deliver applications faster. Business users can create prototypes with ease, which can be further fleshed out by developers. And these developers can spend less time on low-level repetitive work and focus more on solving specific business problems. But that's not all. You can also seamlessly connect with third-party APIs and deploy mobile apps without writing a single line of code or paying an extra penny. They even offer pre-built functions and workflows that you can instantly use without having to develop them from scratch. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a low-code platform and start building custom solutions that cater to your unique business needs.